Greetings, this is the Galactic Empire speaking. And we're back with a series I started a very long time ago, Subnautica Below Zero. It's been a while, with a while meaning a year. Oh, and it's raining. Snowing? Raining? Same thing. Ooh, hello. Mind if I grab you? Haven't played this game in a very long time. Hello. You're mine now. And, yeah. I may need to get used to this game again, since, as said, I haven't played it in a long time. And, how do I scan things? Get back here. Nope, never mind. Eat these fish for water. Know that much. Oh, Peeper, stay. Thank you. Now you will be eaten. So, yeah. It's been a while, and I really don't know where I left off of. Emergency supply cache, Delta dock, station dock. I'm pretty sure I've done that and that. Don't know if I've done that. So, let me quickly get myself some water. And yeah. So, yeah, grab that. Oh, empty batteries. That's not good. What's in here? Oh, bunch of stuff. Poster. Interesting. Nope. I'll drink some of that. And advanced warrant kit. What do I not have yet? Thermoblade. This battery. Everything takes battery. I may head over to this guy. Oh. Done that. Yeah, I need that. May want to get myself that knife. Where was it? Ladder. Could build myself a actual base. Sea truck. Oh, interesting. So that's probably the sub. Come on. I keep on pressing the wrong thing. How does one make a battery? I have forgotten all these years. Battery? Ribbon plant. I have no idea what a ribbon plant is. Don't they, like, spawn in caves or something? Oh. You? No. What can I scan something? Oh, I'm so confused. Yeah. What was that? I do not like the sound of that. There's a ribbon plant right here. Mine and mine. Okay. What are those sounds? I don't like this. Okay. I have no idea how that works. The store is weird physics. Let's just say that. Okay. Got myself a battery. No equipment. No. Wait. Where do I build this? Here? No. Yes? No. Tools. Yeah, here. Survival knife. I'm so confused. I have the stuff for it. Why can't I build it? Maybe because... I'm actually so confused. Blueprints. Oh, modification station. Shoots. Never mind. As said, I'm a little rusty. Yes, just a little. Sea truck. I have no idea where to get those fragments, but I will try to get those fragments. And we're off. I may as well head over to pilot's last known position. I have no idea what happened there, but... well, I'm just heading over here. Let's hope not to, like, encounter any leviathans, shall we? What is that? Stay away. Bad crocodile-looking thing. What is this? Ah, it's a barnacle. Shoots. Ooh, this. Resources. Thank you. Ooh, silver. Don't know if I need that, but I have it now. Oh my gosh, what the galaxy. No. 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 Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. No. Okay. Really? Really? No. 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 Okay. 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 That is not a friendly looking thing. Okay, there's two of them. There is two of them, and I hate this. Why did I restart the series? Oh my gosh, please. Oh, I already have PTSD from finishing Satisfactory 1. Titanium? I don't need that. I don't know. Or titanium. How do I get to there if there's leviathans everywhere? But how do I get a sea truck? Here, we need that beautiful oxygen. And, I'll meet you when I get there.
Detecting stern of an astronautical Soltrans Gov vessel nearby. Vessel name, Mercury 2. Inoperative.
Nope. 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 I think I found the vessel. I don't like you. You gotta... No. Do I have a med pack? No, I don't have a med pack. Bad, weird creature thingies. Okay. Here's one. Oh, there's another one. What happens if I just stick close to the bottom? No, that thing will definitely see me. This is not... Okay. How do I... No. No. Don't even think about it. The guy's up there. How far down can I swim for one of these guys? Never mind, he saw me. He saw me. I'm out of here. What are these creatures? Okay. How do I get past them? That's my real question. There's one. There's one. Signal lost. What? Ah. Okay. Where even am I? So, I don't know how to get down there without being absolutely shredded to bits. Oh my gosh, can you stop that? Okay. So, let's try this again, shall we? Ooh. Found, like, debris down here. Looking out for sharks, looking out for sharks. Please don't eat me, oh, do that day. Tech control room? Don't mind getting that. Command chair? The other one? Ooh, jukebox disc? Ah, right, there's a jukebox. No, 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 no. Nuh-uh. I am not dealing with you today. Sea truck fabrication module fragment. Interesting. Oh, there's two of them. Aquarium fragment? Interesting. Ooh. EDA. Lithium. I gotta go to the surface soon. Any other interesting stuff here? No? Oh my gosh, can you stop? Sea truck fragment? I think that's the one that we need. We have the sea truck. Okay, you know what? I will return here.
Technology acquired.
I will return in a fully operational submarine.
30 seconds.
Thank you
of
very
oxygen
much. I'm out of
remaining.
here. Oh no. What was that? Why are they so loud? Okay, that's not... Yeah, no, 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 nuh-uh, no. I'm out of here. Home sweet home. Okay, so... Now... This is the wrong thing. Wait a second. We have the sea truck. We have a vehicle bay? Uh-oh. Okay, we do have upgrades. Okay, I can build one. Have I already built one? Oh, what was that? Yes, I have. Never mind. So, vehicles. Sea truck. Titanium ingot, advanced wire connect, glass, lead, and power cell. Why did... This is Sea of Thieves. I just entered the red ocean. Interesting. So, let's work on that titanium ingot, shall we? Big titanium ingot means lots of small titanium ingots. So, basic materials. Ooh, never mind, I can already build it. I think, what did I need? Glass? Diamond! Diamond. Wait, glass? Glass. Wait, what class do I need? Oi, stop it. Let me do this. Normal glass, got it. Okay, normal glass. That's just a few quartz. I should have a few quartz, shouldn't I? Yeah, I have plenty of quartz. Wrong button again. Glass. Another glass. And now an advanced wiring kit. That's this. Okay. I need a normal wiring kit. And a computer chip. Table coil, gold, copper wire. I have gold. Copper. Copper. Interesting. Do I not have enough copper for copper wire? I do not. Do I have more copper? No, I do not. I do have table coil, so that's good. Where may the copper be.com. Copper. Are you copper? Please be copper. Copper. Is that everything I needed? Oh, come on. Okay. So, copper, copper. No, here, chip. Table coral. Put that in here. No. Boop, boop, boop. And boop. That's the wiring kit. So, what else do I need? I needed a power cell. Power cell, battery, silicon rubber. How do you make silicon rubber? I would expect like seaweed or something. Silicon rubber. Yep, that's what I expected it to be. Do I even have enough space? Yeah, I should have. It'll be around here. Right? Right. Yep. Do you have to cut it? No, you don't have to cut it. Ooh, I can do this. Inventory full. Thank you, game. It couldn't happen but notice. Going him. Couldn't help but notice? What did I say? Ah, never mind. Okay, so... where is the... Yep, that. Yoink that. And yoink this. Thank you. Wait a second. Dang it, I took the good power cells. Not power cells, batteries. Ugh, that's annoying. What else did I need? Check. Lead. I don't know how you get lead. Do I have lead? I have lead! Oh, what was that? Oh, of course it's storming outside. Oh my. Yep, it's definitely storming outside. Huh. So let me quickly get my submarine. And we have a sea truck! Give me the sub. Give me the sub. Oh, and it's not storming anymore. Yes. Oh, so how do you use this? Just go pop, doop, enter. Up, top. Yes. We have a submarine, guys! Okay. So I did see their segment. Oh, what just happened? I did not mean to do that. Enter. Yeah. I did not mean to do that. Segment. Ingredients unknown. Shoots. Never mind. Now fill up on nutrients. Nom. Nom. Give more water. Water. Thank you. So, I will head back over there. Let's hope we don't get murdered by whatever is around there. And, do I have everything? I should have everything. 3-point cluster. I'll get rid of that. Nope, that's not what I wanted. Come on. Open the storage. Thank you. Oh, never mind. There's already stuff in there. May as well take medkits, because that's always a good idea. And plop the rest of you in here. Pong, pong, pong. Ping, pong, boom, boom, pong, ping, ping, pong, boom, pong. Oh. Never mind. The rest can be put in here. Or taken out. Okay. And we're off. Nope. Power cell. Nope. Let's hope my submarine doesn't get eaten the first second I have it. Oh. Sorry, peeper. Oh, I definitely want to murder you. Come at my face. Haha. Oh, what's that? Interesting. Oh, that's that. Don't die, don't die. Yeah, there's that shark. Shark bait. Ooh, bad shark. I don't like shark. Sorry, peeper. Sorry, not sorry. How to stay low and out of sight. Hopefully. Don't die. Don't die. Oh, that's a crab. That should be fine. Oh, hello. Oh, he just got blown up by one of those explodey boys. Now the thing is down there. Oh, crashed into something. Do I have a repair tool? I don't have a repair tool, do I? Wait. Do I not have a repair tool? I do not have a repair tool. Ah, shoots. Oh well. Let's, hopefully not die. Yeah, there's the ship thingy. Okay. Head downwards. Another 400. Okay. God. Ow. Don't do that. Yeah, I know. You don't like me, I get it. Don't die, don't die, don't die. Get as close as possible and zoom down there. Okay, I'm seeing the
Didn't I tell you to stay away?
From what? I don't even know who you are.
Marguerite Maida's the name. You're on my turf.
Great. Can I come in and warm up?
What part of go away do you not understand, Altera?
I'm not with Altera.
Okay. We need to look at my oxygen. What did we find? Large room? Can I enter said large room? Is this thing? Oh. That works. Swimming pool.
Signal location uploaded to PDA.
Best in my spawn suit. Interesting. Any other scanimals? No. Anybody home? Oh my gosh! I just jumped. Really?
I told you to stay off my land.
You trained that thing?
Next time I'll let him tear you to ribbons, Altera.
I'm not with Altera. I'm Robin Ayu. I'm looking for information about my sister Sam. I think you might have crossed paths.
Bull crap. I suggest you take the time you need to come to your senses and then get off my sea base. If you're not Altera, why don't you disable that damn tracking satellite tower instead of barging into my sea base? Maybe once Altera's off my back, I'll remember something about your sister. There's some junk on that table that might help. I couldn't get it to work.
Oh my gosh. Why the galaxy does she have one of those things? That's a Reaper Leviathan skull. Did she kill a Reaper? Ooh, log. Nice, nice. Anything else? I scan you? No stalker. Can I get in there? You don't like me, do you? I can't get in there. Fine. Let's overwrite module fragment. Snow fox fragment. Ooh. Bunch of goodies.
New technology acquired.
Sea truck perimeter defense upgrade. Ooh. Anything else? Large. Stone fragment. Interesting. Yeah, I get it. You don't like me. Nobody likes me. I will be off of your turf. Thank you. Can I take your prawn suit? I'd like to take your prawn suit. Can't take your prawn suit. That's too bad. Nope. What's happening? This is scannable? Can we? Whoa. Nope, that's not a scannable. Can I scan anything? No? Aww. Oh, that's interesting. Found her home. Now where's my sea truck at? There, eh? No. Where did I come from? I think from here? Yeah, from here. There's that thing. Yeah, I came from there. My guy. Can you not exist, please? Is there other way out? That doesn't involve me having to cross paths with Sharko Boy over there? Ooh, it's kind of this. Lily pad route. Interesting. I get it. 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 Don't look at me. Don't look at me. I'm not here. No, 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 no. I'm not. I don't exist. I don't exist. You can't attack me if I don't exist. Okay. So it doesn't have to be dark o'clock. What is that? Oh, that's one of those
Warning.
things.
Maximum depth reached.
Yeah.
Hull damage imminent.
I know. Thank you, game. Are you passive? This may be a really bad idea. Hello? Passive? You're a whale. You're a Subnautica whale. You are passive, aren't you? But you're not. Please be in between him and me. Thank you very much. Let's scan you. You're a reef pack of Subnautica Below Zero, I guess. Don't look at me, shark. 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 Bad shark. Do we have a map or something? No, I guess I don't. Yep, he's definitely a whale. And we're back home. So, first step of business. Make a repair tool. Which I think needed this stuff? Yeah, I think I needed this stuff. Tools. Oh wait, tools. Repair tool. Thank you. Okay, now that I have a repair tool. Wait a second. That's annoying. That's very annoying. Where do you put in modifications into this thing? Okay, you don't. Fun. Thank you. Okay, so I built that for nothing.
Seek fluid intake.
Yeah, I expected that. You guys are really thirsty and
Vital
really hungry.
signs stabilizing.
Okay. Put the ruby in here, put everything in here. I can't put everything in here. That's annoying. Okay. So, I just built a repair tool for no reason at all. Can I at least build that aquarium thingamabob? Yes, I can. Is unknown. Glass steel ingot, wiring kit, and oh great. I need diamonds. I don't have diamonds. And this video is already too long, so I guess we'll leave it for next time. Again, sorry for the quality of my former videos. I was just, like, starting out. So, please have mercy. If you know what I mean. So, yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. And, I will be continuing Subnautica, because I like Subnautica, and I've already... Oh, this thing is the thing that I could... Ah. So... yeah, I've already finished the first one. If you want, you guys can ask for it, and I may replay the other one. But, yeah, I already have PTSD from it, so... yeah, thank you for watching, guys. May the Force be with you, and for the glory of the Empire.